Enterprises the world over are looking to embed generative AI into the different tooling set. These days, one of the common challenges with enterprises is extracting value from vast amounts of data. Structured data comes in many formats with very well defined APIs. Unstructured data contained in documents, engineering drawings, case sheets, financial reports, Confluence documents can be very difficult to integrate into a comprehensive knowledge management system. Neo4j, which is a graph database, can be used to build a knowledge graph from structured and unstructured sources. By modeling this data as a graph, we can uncover insights in that data not otherwise available. Graph data can be huge and messy to deal with. Generative AI on Google Cloud makes it easy to build a knowledge graph in Neo4j and then interact with it using natural language. Google has produced a complete document and a GitHub repo shown on your screen to accomplish this task. They have been gracious enough to provide this sample notebook and web application which shows how Google Vertex AI generative AI can be used with Neo4j. I will drop the link to this GitHub repo in video's description. Let me quickly show you a diagram from Google own blog post where this can be understood more clearly. As you can see on this diagram, that on the left hand side, knowledge extraction is happening. Blue arrows show data flowing from structured and unstructured sources into Vertex AI, and then generative AI is used to extract entities and relationships from that data, which are then converted to Neo4j cipher queries that run against Neo4j database to populate the knowledge graph. On the right hand side of this diagram, you can see the green arrows, which primarily show applications that consume this knowledge graph. They present natural language interfaces to users. Vertex AI generative AI converts that natural language to Neo4j cipher that is run against Neo4j database. You can apply this solution to a lot of industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, oil and gas, telecom, wherever you like. This GitHub repo shows you step by step end to end setup to test out this solution. All you need to do is to clone this GitHub repo and then you just need to run these commands in your terminal and you are good to go. Also, if you want to use a user interface that is based on Streamlit, and this is how you deploy it. And then you can also log into your virtual machine. In this case, it is the Google Cloud VM where you can simply install the Git and then clone this repo. I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions or if you struggle to implement this, please uh, put your comment in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.